All right, here I am. I'm going to do the inside walkthrough with my 1937 Pierce Arrow Travelodge. This will be kind of interesting. I don't know that there's going to be a lot to show you because basically I'm planning on taking everything in here out and rebuilding it using the pieces for templates. But we'll go through it as we go along here and just show you what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of. Like I said, I have taken the cushions out of here so you can see things a lot better. First thing I'm going to do is take the screen door off because I really like that and I don't want to get that broken. I'll probably just keep that just exactly the way it is. The little stove is going to stay, but it's been converted to propane and I'm going to have to figure out how to make that all work. It should be pretty easy, I think. You can see the pipe going down goes out to the propane tank in front. The same thing with the ice box. I'm going to keep that all. Obviously, one door's already been halfway taken off, so that should make that a lot easier. There's the inside of the ice box. I'm going to keep all that. I don't know what's down under there. I see light coming through the floor, so that's going to be interesting. The sink I'm going to keep just the way it is. I may replace the faucet. I'm sure that pump is not original. But it is kind of cool, so I may keep that. I don't know for sure. We'll see about that. These little cabinets, I'll take those out, remake them just the way they are. I don't think it'll be too bad. Obviously, nothing comes out, and there's some film. It'll be interesting, though. This window, of course, is going to have to come out. These, I think, are going to be pretty easy to do, but I'll take those all out. Use the piece for the template to make it fit in there. The ceiling is just plywood. Not sure what it's attached to. I'm assuming the steel frame that's underneath, but there must be some wood stringers or something along in there also. I'm gonna have to curve these pieces, of course. Again, this window will have to come out. Gonna have to make some new window mechanisms or get some new window mechanisms for them. This window is totally gone, so we'll have to do that. The little Scott towel rack is coming out of there. That'll be gone. I'm not real sure what's under here. I'm assuming this is... Yep. There we go. Oh, there's the jack for the trailer stand. That's interesting. So that'll have to be fixed. It doesn't really look that bad in there. Nice, probably knob and tube wiring in there. That's interesting. This is the bed that would come out. Comes out like that. I think I'll probably keep most of that. I'm going to have to replace the outside frame on there, and I'm sure I'll have to replace the legs, but that'll be easy. Underneath here, I don't even know what's underneath here. Cabinet. Nope. That's interesting. That's the hydraulic brake system. And I know absolutely nothing about those. But I do have a couple of friends who might know something. So we'll see. I'm not sure that they're qualified to work on 1937 stuff, but we'll figure it out. That whole cabinet's going to come out and I'll replace it. That's the closet. I'm going to take that out and replace it. Although it's not in horrible shape, but I'm going to replace it, all the wood in here anyway. The back cabinet's the same as the front cabinet. I'll take that out, use the piece for a template. Windows, again, got to get fixed. All the wood around them's got to get fixed. We've got, there's a water tank, and who knows what's down in there. That's all coming out and replaced. Another cabinet that looks like just a cabinet. Again, I see light coming through the floor, so I have to fix that. Those will be easy, though. I don't know if there's anything under there or not. Might be. And then this table I'm going to keep the top anyway. And the little frame and the stove I'm going to keep. This cabinet It's actually not in horrible shape, but I'm going to take that all out and replace it. I plan on using Baltic birch plywood for the everything, and then doing the frames, the trim in cherry, dark cherry. That's my plan right now. We'll see what happens. I think that's about it. See you next time.